Hey, good morning. It is Sunday. And I just stepped out here just to go look at the water features and saw this absolutely stunning sunrise. You can kind of see it through the trees there. All the way over to there. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned, but if we cleared all these trees right here, we would be able to have a view of the city. But I don't want it. Honey was like, if you want me to, I can start taking trees down. I'm like, no. No. I love just feeling secluded. So I'm going to stop and take a picture of this so I can show my mom. Amazing. Woohoo, it's finally happening. My honey is putting my tree together.
You're gonna have to do all of the branches, okay?
Yeah, he's just putting it together. And then it's up to me to finish decorating with this stuff. We moved most of the stuff from over there out to the porch. We're gonna put it underneath the house. And then I'll get this stuff done and we'll be finished until January. And this is the 6-foot tree?
7.5.
7.5, okay. Yeah, we figured the 9 would be up and touching the ceiling and it just wouldn't look proportionate, so there we go. It's coming down. And I'm gonna love it. I already love it. Okay, this is how it opened it up without the railing. I mean, seriously, guys, that is so much better. You can just walk right out and boom. So I got it filling right now. I watered all the bushes. Honey's gonna put that light, he's gonna cut that flat and put that light on there. Yeah. He's gonna get this put away and then this will just be, you just walk on this side or this side and you sit down and Rizzo gets a bird's eye view up there. I watered all my plants over here. I already pulled out a bunch of them that were in the feature because they were already dying off. They weren't going to make it through the winter. But the bushes, they're supposed to make it through the winter, so good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. The dogs do just love walking around on the rocks and exploring their water features. Let me show you the benches more close up while I'm filling the pond. Because I don't like to go in and start doing other stuff because then I forget and then it overfills. Like those, darling. I can just see this when it starts snowing, the snow is going to get packed in behind them. And then look at these guys. That's hard to show because the sun's right. There we go.
throwing this away?
What do you think? You want to fix it or you want me to get a new one?
I'm trying to fix it.
They're about 45 bucks. So, yeah, those are the benches. And then we've got that metal bench over there. Hey guys, it's Sunday evening and we've got some friends. So there's 2 out there. There's 3 over there, and this one, and the buck. And it seems like the same family every time. It's Sunday evening, and I guess they know where to come to eat the plants and drink the water. I like that they're not real scared of us. And we did throw out some pumpkins the other day, busted up the pumpkins and left it out there for them to feed off of. Which is so cool. We live here. Well, everybody got thirsty. I haven't filled up this water feature today. I filled up both the back ones. There's even one way back there. Hey guys, gets pretty windy up here and the trees just really get flexible. Look at that. I love it when it's windy. The sound, because the trees are so close together, are just, let's go out. Say hi, Seavies. I am crafting. I guess I should turn this light on, it'll help me. This light just, for some reason, helps me be much more creative. And yes, that was pink. I was working with pink. Oh, somebody didn't turn the Christmas tree on this morning. I'm sure you can hear that. And it is friggy, diggy, freezing. What do you think, Steves? What do you think? All right, time to get all the Christmas lights on. There goes my honey. There goes Daddy. You can see the trees whipping over there. I mean, we get gusts and it's just like, I can't believe the trees don't snap. Bye, honey. I did put up some Christmas decor yesterday when I got home, and some of it's blown down already. Fantastic. That's why we can't have like blow ups, or in town we had like a sleigh and deer, and you just can't have that up here. It just doesn't work. And he got his little ramp built over there so that he can bring the snowblower right down. Oh, I am so happy that that building ended up there instead of back down the hill. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. So yeah, really happy about that. There go those trees again. Hey guys, it is Thursday morning, and it is super windy outside like I showed you, and I am working. Yes, I have a little cough. I haven't felt well for a couple days, but I had a head cold. I told you guys, was it last week or the week before? And I just think I didn't really get over it. And I had about 5 days where I felt okay, and then all of a sudden I just don't feel fantastic. So I have this little cough going on. So I am, not a lot went on this week. I did finish all the Christmas decor, so I'm super thrilled to do that video, and I'm going to do it for sure on Sunday. And here's why I can guarantee you it's going to get done on Sunday. So the cleaning lady, who isn't really a cleaning lady, she's sort of my friend. She lives up here down the street, and her name is Sunshine. Pretty name. Anyway, she's going to come and clean on Saturday, and then Sunday we are having our Thanksgiving for Alan's family, because I'm going to be gone, and Savannah and Rihanna are going with me to Texas. So the week of Thanksgiving, I'm going to get to vlog from my mom's house. So I'm excited about that. I think I'm scheduled for a haircut before I go. Lord knows I need my nails done. And that's tomorrow morning. But yeah, I am working on pink. And a lot of people who watch this channel don't even know I have another channel, but I have a scrapbooking crafty channel. This one started as a kind of crafty furniture create stuff channel, and it evolved when we decided to move. So I appreciate those of you who are still around and watching and interested. But yeah, somebody was really on me to get to doing some shabby chic crafts. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now in front of me with papers. Isn't it funny? Because I look fine, and I pretty much feel fine. I just have this little cough. So I am watching Jimmy Ray Vintage right now. Well, actually I'm talking to you. But I have a question for you guys. Does any of you watch, I know a lot of people do, watch Yellowstone? Oh my gosh. So when Shane was here, he turned me on to Yellowstone. We watched 3 seasons in 3 days, and episode 1 of season 4 came on Sunday night, and it's so good. It's like, I had to describe it to my bestie because she didn't know what it was, and I was like, it's like Dallas, but it's in current times and so much better because, let's face it, Kevin Costner is way better looking than J.R. Ewing, right? Oh my gosh, J.R. wasn't even good looking. I guess when he put his hat on, he wasn't too bad. Yeah, he kind of was. Anyway, yeah, so not a lot going on this week. I'm sorry the content wasn't super great. But I just wanted to come and do a little face-to-face and say hi and thank you for watching. It's going to be really busy at the shop, so I may actually do some vlogging from the shop. How about that? I think I will. It's funny sometimes to look at myself because I'm looking at the camera and see my hair this color because I'm used to seeing it dark. And sometimes I think, do I look too old? I think I need to go back to dark hair. And then I'm like, oh, it took so long to let it grow out that no. And you could see, like, from right about here, I had some toner put in, and it's gotten kind of yellowy, so it looks a little blondish, which really looks weird on me. But anyway, I've thought about streaking some black. What do they call those? Low lights? Do any of you guys know? Are those called low lights? Anyway, so I'm going to end it here. And my gosh, it is so cold outside. I don't even want to go to my car. But fortunately, I can remote start it, and it's warm when I get in. And yeah. So I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. If you don't already, check out my crafty channel. I will try to remember to link it in the description box down below, and you can see some of the stuff that I've been crafting. So thanks for watching, and if you want any of that stuff, if you need it in your life, you can always email me, and I'm happy to sell it. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.